So this is Honasa Consumers' foray into the men's personal space category, personal care category, and that is a very big move for them. This has happened with the acquisition of BTM Ventures Private Limited. And remember, BTM Ventures is the parent company of Reginald Men that Honasa has acquired. Now, how is this an opportunity for Honasa? Let's put it in numbers. The category, channel and geography expansion provide a good growth roadmap to Honasa. Indian men's personal care market is expected to reach more than 40,000 crore rupees by FY32. So watch out for that as well. And this will help Honasa strengthen its market share in the southern states. A little bit about the brand that they've acquired, Reginald Men. It was founded in August 2022 by Trisha Reddy Talsani, and they make products like sunscreen, serum, hair serum, moisturizer, face washes and cleansers for men. They derive the majority of revenue from South India, so this also strengthens Honasa's presence and brand awareness in the south of India. Now, if you take a look at BVPL's revenue trend, they started with mere 43,000 rupees in 2023-24. 24-25, they saw a sharp jump to 20.2 crore rupees, and October 2024 to October 25 this year, they've done revenues of about 74 crore rupees. Other than that, with net revenue being at 74 crores, their EBITDA is at 18 crores with a healthy EBITDA margin of 24%. So the financials look very good for the company that they have acquired. Lastly, the terms of the transaction, Honasa will acquire 95% stake via secondary purchase of 195 crore rupee enterprise value. The balance 5% stake will be achieved after 12 months based on pre-agreed valuation criteria. On an annualized April to August 2025 revenue run rate, this implies the EV to revenue at 2.6 times and implied EV to EBITDA at 10.9 times, making this deal look attractive. Just to throw some more light on past acquisitions by Honasa, remember this is not their first D2C acquisition. They acquired BBlunt in 2022, Dr. Sheth's in 2022. They've acquired Cosmogenesis Labs for their in-house R&D in 2024, and very recently they acquired 25% stake in Fang Oral Care. They also forayed into the oral care segment in 2025 recently. So this adds to their list of all the D2C acquisitions that they've made recently. But yes, this is Honasa's latest acquisition that helps it foray into the men's personal care space.